In the world of data centers, even the smallest component can have a huge impact. Power cords, often overlooked, are the critical link in your power chain. Choosing the wrong one isn't just about a mismatch, it's a risk to uptime and safety. Navigating the world of power cords starts with understanding standards. The universal language is IEC 603-2SO, with common connectors like C13, C14, C19, and C20 forming the backbone of PDU connectivity. But you also need to account for regional standards, from NEMA plugs in North America to CEE standards across Europe, ensuring your connections are compliant wherever you operate. Beyond the plug, deep engineering matters. Wire gauge, or AWG, determines the cord's capacity, while the jacket material dictates durability and heat resistance. An undersized cable can become a dangerous failure point. That's why features like secure locking mechanisms are no longer optional. They're essential for preventing accidental disconnects and maintaining reliability. As you plan for 2026, make your power cord selection a priority. Always match the amperage rating to your equipment's needs, whether it's 10A or 20A. Prioritize locking mechanisms for security and verify global compatibility for seamless deployment. Small choices now will ensure a resilient and efficient data center for years to come.